A monument to engineering. A stone wall standing against nature to power a nation.
This section right here, the blue strata, it's solid granite. Yeah. So
Confirmed. The samples match the high density reading. We found it.
The harvest begins. Massive drills bore deep patterns into the quarry face. Precision is key. Blasters load exact charges to shatter the rock without scattering it.
In seconds, millions of years of geology are shattered into rubble. The dust clears, revealing the raw ingredients. A chaotic pile of sharp granite.
Hydraulic giants scoop up 50 tons at a time, loading the haul trucks.
A convoy of titans drives constantly, feeding the insatiable appetite of the crusher. The primary crusher, a steel beast that chews boulders the size of cars into chunks. Secondary crushers refine the stone into precise sizes of gravel, known as aggregate.
Miles of conveyor belts act as the arteries of the construction site, moving rock efficiently.
Vibrating screens sort the stones. Big gravel for strength and small pebbles for the finish. Concrete also needs sand. Crushers pulverize rock into a dust sharper and stronger than river sand.
The stone is washed thoroughly, removing clay that could weaken the concrete bond. Rock provides structure, but cement provides the glue stored in these towering silos.
All roads lead to the batching plant, where ingredients are mixed with surgical precision. A hidden danger. As concrete cures, it creates heat intense enough to crack the dam.
The solution is ice. Tons of frozen flakes replace water to chill the mix.
Every batch is tested. It must meet extreme pressure ratings to survive. The clock is ticking. The wet mix is rushed to the canyon edge before it sets.
High above the canyon, thick steel cables span the gap. A massive carriage rides on the cables.
Flying buckets deliver 20 tons of concrete every few minutes, day and night.
Hold it steady. Clear below. Pulling the lever now.
The monoliths. The dam is built in separate blocks called monoliths, allowing the structure to expand and contract.
Metal coils are embedded inside. Cold water circulates through them to cool the dam from within.
The river rushing through a massive man-made tunnel in the canyon wall, bypass construction site. Meanwhile, the river is...
All right, easy now, easy. Bring it down another foot, we're clear on the right.
Copy that, steady descent.
The spillway acts as a safety valve, a giant ramp to release floodwaters safely. At the base, the powerhouse takes shape, ready to receive the massive turbines.
Main conduits connected.
Fiber optic synchronization complete. All systems online.
Check your line, coming down. Got it. This section is smooth. Move to the next spot.
The moment of truth. The diversion tunnels are sealed, and the river stops. The reservoir begins to fill, a man-made lake rising to meet the sky.
Look at the readout on sensor 12. It's holding.
The structural integrity is confirmed. We have a pass.
The intake gates open, unleashing the water into the steel veins of the dam.
We are synchronized. Clean energy flows to the national grid.
A serene lake now sits where a construction site once roared.
Fish ladders allow marine life to bypass the concrete barrier.
At night, the dam stands as a glowing sentinel, working in the dark.
Deep inside, miles of tunnels allow engineers to check the dam's health.
Regular flushing keeps the reservoir free from building up silt.
The power generated here will drive industry and light up cities for decades.
This concrete will continue to harden, becoming as strong as the mountain it replaced.
It serves as a shield, taming floods that once devastated the valley. It joins the ranks of the global giants that have reshaped the Earth.
Nature adapts. A new ecosystem thrives around the reservoir.
Built to last centuries, this titan will outlive us all. From broken rocks to a monolith of power, this is the Mega Dam.